Hello guys, my name is Parav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I can show you total 5 plus websites where we can create a directory submission backlink, and all the websites can provide you a Dofollow high quality backlink. So you guys can consider for these websites for the directory submission. Okay. So this is a first website. So first website name is 41freedirectory.com. Before that, if you guys are planning to do directory submission, so you guys can consider are your index page, that mean home page, are your category page, are your service page, where are mentioned your all services are index page, that mean home page. So this is the best strategy. So you guys can do directory submission if any websites are having a high spamming score. So where you guys can do genuine method, suppose that where you guys can choose a title, description, and where you guys can add genuinely your website's URL. These things cannot going to harm your website's health and another factor. Okay, so that's why our team are also doing the same things. Okay, so the first website name is 411freedirectory.com, and you can see there is a submit link button. You can click over there, and I guess there is any technical issue this website are facing. So sorry. So they have closed the new directory submission for the next 24 hours. So you guys can wait and you guys can create your directory submission couple of hours later. Okay. So the next website name is angeldirectory.com. So there is a add site button. You can click over there, and there you guys can add your title, your URL, and your description. So this is a short description. There you guys can add your company name, your email ID, then you guys can choose your category, and you guys can verify your captcha. You guys can accept terms and conditions, then you can click for the continue button, and you will see the our directory is created. So after that you guys can go for the latest site section. There is the interview, top interview management solution jobma, and this is a link details. You guys can click on link details, then you guys can find your directory landing page URL. So this is a landing page URL of this directory, and I can show you this is a Dofollow or Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the Dofollow or no referral, and the main thing, this backlink are contextual backlink with your main hyperlink or the title based keyword. Okay, so we have created first directory backlink, second directory backlink, and the next website name is relevant direct. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. .com, and there is a add site button. You guys can click over there. This website is might slow, so parallelly we can also move forward with the so it is opened. So let me copy the title. There you guys can add your website URL, which URL you wanting for the directory which URL you wanting to create directory backlink, and you guys can add your description. Then you guys can choose your company name, and you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your category. Category is education, environment, employment, and you guys can verify your captcha. Then you can click for the submit button. You guys can wait a couple of seconds. So parallelly we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is efdr.com. so there is a add site button. You can click over there. This website are still taking loading. Okay, I guess my network is slow, I guess. So there we can add, okay, sorry. So there I can added a description and the link is submitted. So you guys, where you guys can check, so there is a new site button. You can click over there and you can see this is our directory backlink top interview management solution, and this is your directory landing page URL. So now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website is where we have already added a description, then we can add a URL, there we can add a company name, email ID, then you guys can choose your category, job and employment resources. We can verify the captcha. Now you can check this box and click for the continue button. So link is submitted, so you guys can go with a latest site section. Parallelly we can move forward to the next website. So the next website name is asklink.org and there is a add site button. You can click over there. So this is still taking loading, and yeah, so you can see this is our directory backlink top interview management solution. You can click for the link details button and you can then you will found your directory landing page URL, and I already shared with you guys. So you can see this is a Dofollow backlink, high quality contextual. So the last website name is asklink.org. There is a title button. You can click over there. Where we can add website URL, okay, and the description, your company name. Then you guys can choose your category. Your email ID. Then you guys can choose your category. In the category section, there is employment, and you guys can verify your captcha. Then you can click for the verify button, and now you can click for the continue. So today we have created total of 5 directory backlink. One was disabled for the next 24 hours, so you guys can try when you guys are watching this video. I hope that time this website are working. So this is a process for the directory submission on those websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go on to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.